2026 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.